The world has changed after the pandemic. Consequently, most of the businesses are transferring online. Companies continue to prefer remote working environments. Meanwhile, the freelance industry is booming with new services and offers. Therefore, if you are looking for a prosperous career, then you should at least develop a good skill to get started. Fiverr and Up provide excellent platforms to gain passive income for freelancers. From programming and technology to product supervision and digital marketing, freelance expertise continues to alter. Therefore, in this article, we've stockpiled a brief list of high-paying fields and the most demanded skills you'll need today to become a successful freelancer. 1. Web design. 2. Web development. 3. Artificial intelligence. There are many approaches to AI and data science. However, the main focus is to make a machine that acts and thinks just like a human. Similarly, AI has infiltrated almost every field like health, technology, education, transportation, e-commerce, and banking. For freelancing, you must know at least one programming languages like R, Python, Java, or C++. Moreover, a strong knowledge of probability, statistics, algorithms, and pertinent subjects. A career in AI is a promising one and worth it. 4. Cryptocurrency and blockchain programming. 5. Mobile app development.